Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What? I'm gonna solve some limits, only got x as it approaches a number. I'm factoring, looking for an answer, just don't divide by 0.
Now, welcome to the class, like what up, I got a new calc? Nah, I'm just pumped, we're getting to learn about limits. As x approaches a number, it's not so tricky, but people like,
dang, what's that do, Hickey?
rolling in kinda late, headed to my desk and seat, dressed in all red with my calculus shirt, as they can see, got my calculus workbooks all with me. Probably should have studied this. Mr. Murphy's like, it's time to learn calculus. Quiet up, listen up, watch this, about to go and set up some problems. Whenever you see a problem set next to a limit with the letter x and then an arrow followed by a number, don't stress out too much, it's an easy problem to pitch. Just try to plug it in, just try to plug it in. No, for real, ask your teacher. Can you substitute x for the number? If it works, just solve for the answer, but if you get a 0 on the bottom, you better factor it. Either factor out the bottom or factor out the top. Cross out the numbers and plug it in the number. There you go, you have the answer. Mr. Mooney ain't got nothing on Mr. Murphy's lessons. Oh no, I could take some more prods and solve them all. The other students
Oh,
are like,
she got the answer.
I'm gonna solve some limits, only got x as it approaches a number. I'm factoring, looking for an answer, just don't divide by 0. I'm gonna solve some limits, only got x as it approaches a number. I'm factoring, looking for an answer, just don't divide by 0.
what you know about solving limits? What you know about when you can't factor it? I'm looking, I'm searching, you can't find an answer? That's when you look to see if there's a square root in the equation. Then you have to do something called the conjugate rule, because right now just factoring won't help. You can learn how to conjugate, just ask your teacher.
Anson teaches math.
But not Mr. Mooney, Miss Boone, Miss Clark, or Miss Ackerman. You gotta go to Mr. Murphy. All you have to do is multiply the top and multiply the bottom by the conjugate. It's the square root function, but with opposite signs. It's an easy addition, just like simple addition. After the conjugate method, just plug it in.
I'm gonna solve some limits, only got x as it approaches a number. I'm factoring, looking for an answer, just don't divide by 0. I'm ready for this AP test. Just got done with this calculus. I'm in this big yellow bus from that Crosby High School down the road. I'm gonna solve some limits, only got x as it approaches a number. I'm factoring, looking for an answer, just don't divide by 0.
No, you did it the wrong way.
The limit does not exist.